Hi Ram, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, let's continue with our chapter and today we are going to finish it. Before we start, let's do prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and start chanting Om. Sai Ram. So children, now today we are going to discuss about a brave army commander Tatya Tope, and in our previous class we have discussed about up to Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. So Nana Sahib Peshwa had made Tatya Tope the commander of the army at Kanpur. So who was Tatya Tope? Commander in chief of Kanpur army of Nana Sahib's army. Okay. Soon he became his trusted commander. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur, playing the role of a commander for the first time in his life. Because he was trustworthy to the army, so he has given the responsibility to free Kanpur and play the important role of a commander. For the next 2 years, he played a major role in the revolt across the country. And he played a major role in the revolt of 1857 all over the country. No one in his time had fought as many battles he did, and he fought many battles, so he is well known for it. Soldiers from different parts of India had joined the revolt. From North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh and Gorakhpur had joined. Ajmer, Nasirabad and Abu from the Rajputana and the Gwalior, Mandsaur, Indore and Dhar from the central India participated in the revolt. These are some territories which also joined the revolt and under the leadership of Tatya Tope. Satara, Kolhapur or Savantwadi, Nargad, Dharwad, etc. became active in south. So all these territories or all these small princely states joined the revolt and joined the army of Tatya Tope. Okay, and they together fought the battle or the revolt of 1857. Revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. What were the scenarios, or what was the scenario of 1857 in Gujarat? The 7th Battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad. 7th Battalion of British Army means in Ahmedabad the 7th Battalion were there, and they broke out the revolt, and however it was soon halted. Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of Panchmahal witnessed the skirmishes with the British Army, and the revolt was suppressed by the British officers, and Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of the Panchmahal. These are a few districts or a few areas which faces the bad suppression by the British Army. The soldiers could capture the government offices with the help of the natives, but were soon defeated. But the Indian soldiers captured the British territories. Okay, but soon they are suppressed, or their revolt was suppressed by the Britishers. The Nayakadas of Panchmahal continued the rebellion almost for the year. In Panchmahal, Nayakadas continued that revolt for almost for 1 year. Okay. So in Gujarat we can say first Indian soldiers captured British territories or their government offices, but later on, due to the huge power and the modern techniques and artilleries that Britishers have, they suppressed the revolt done by the British soldiers, Indian soldiers. Okay. Garbat Das Patel, the headman of Anand in Kheda district, collected almost 200 volunteers of the Koli and the Naikada communities to join the revolt. Garbat Das Patel was the headman of the Anand. Okay, so he is the leader who collect almost 2000 volunteers from the Koli and Nagadar communities to join the revolt. So he did the leadership in Kheda district. He was supported by Jiva Bhai Thakur of Khanpur, Malaji Joshi and Krishna Das Dave, and these were the supporters of Garbat Das Patel. However, the supporters of the Garbat Das was captured by the Britishers and tied to the cannon were blown off with the cannonball fire. Okay, and these supporters of Garbat Das were burnt with the cannons. Okay, so Garbat Das was exiled to the Andaman where he died, and Garbat Das was sent out of India in exile jail or for the punishment, and his death, his life is almost finished in that exile punishment in the Andaman and Nicobar island. The people of Chandap village, which is 16 miles away from the Idar, and accepted the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji and joined the revolt. And from the Chandap village, that is 16 miles away from the Idar village or Idar territory, the leadership was done by Nathaji and Yamaji. Okay, the British had camped at the Nandana village between Okha and Baradi, and British camps were between the Okha and Baradi. The British commander of navy became impatient and he reached the fort of Bhet Dwarka via the Bay of Bhet. Okay, the British commander who was very impatient and who reached before the time to the Bhet Dwarka via the Bay of Bhet. Okay, from the sea route he reached before. Donovan orders an attack on the fort, and the Waghirs inside the fort had no such artillery to counter attack. Okay, so the Waghirs people in the fort don't have any artilleries or any other techniques to oppose that attack, and due to the Donovan's attack, they were captured. At this time, the Waghir women came up with a very brave and innovative ideas. But women also showed their bravery with their innovative ideas. They soaked the mattresses with the water in which they could catch the cannonballs and cool them immediately. Okay, so they used the mattresses used in the fort and soak them so that they can stop the fireballs. Okay, now where in the history of the world such act of valor has been exhibited, and this is the most memorable or valorous thing in the history we can see. Okay, Waghir woman very bravely disarmed the cannonballs without worrying about their own lives, and these women bravely fought. Waghir women very bravely disarmed the cannonballs without worrying about their own lives. Okay, without worrying, and they bravely fought against the cannonballs and stopped them, and their act of bravery was equivalent to that of the Rani Lakshmi Bai, and the women were the Lakshmi Bais of the Gujarat, and their act is as much important and famous and brave as Lakshmi Bai's role in the act of in the revolt of 1857, and they were together known as the Lakshmi Bais of Gujarat. Cities of North Gujarat like Patan, Kheralu, Biloda, Mudeti, etc. broke into the revolt with the help of natives. Apart from this, in December 1858, Tatya Tope stayed with his army in Panchmahal district of Gujarat, and Tatya Tope also escaped or escape in the Panchmahal district of Gujarat, and he stayed there for few time, and he had escaped to the forest of Vanswada when being chased by the British army, and when he was chased by British army he ran to the Vanshwada forest. Okay, so totally overall we can say Gujarat was an active center in the revolt of 1857, and the brave people who fought for the freedom are also belong to Gujarat, and they show their bravery and valor in this revolt of 1857. End of the revolt. During the revolt, weapons and the soldiers were supplied to the Britishers from England and Iran. So Britishers get their soldiers and weapons from England and Iran, and the revolt had started on the 10th of May 1857, but by the end of June 1857, British were able to regain control on the Banaras and Allahabad. So coming to the end of June month, they controlled Banaras and Allahabad, and Kanpur was recaptured in the end of July and Delhi in September. So slowly Britishers recaptured their territories that was controlled by Britishers, but in the revolt of 1857, for some time the control is get in the hand of the Indians, revolutionaries. Okay. And Bahadur Shah Zafar and his queen Begum Zinat Mahal was imprisoned and exiled to Rangoon. And Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon and imprisoned with his wife Begum Zinat Mahal, and the capital of Burma, where they died after a few years, and they were sent to the jail in Burma and they died there, and their three sons were murdered, and their sons were murdered by Britishers. Okay. Lucknow was recaptured in March 1858, and to recapture Lucknow it will take a long 1 year, and Jhansi fell because of the treachery of one of the courtiers of the Jhansi, and as a result Lakshmi Bai escaped towards Kalpi, where she died while fighting a battle with the British troop, and Lakshmi Bai died in the Kalpi village while she is fighting against the British troops. Okay. Nana Sahib Peshwa escaped to Nepal after the final defeat, and Nana Sahib escaped to Nepal, and he ran away to Nepal after he was defeated by Britishers. It is believed that he lived in the Shiror village of Bhavnagar district of Gujarat, where he is believed to have died in 1902, and it is believed, and people said, or some maybe proofs are there, or maybe some we can say a little bit incidents that may prove that Nana Sahib may stay in the Shiror village of Bhavnagar district. Okay. It is said that the Tatya Tope was captured due to the betrayal of one of his ally. Okay. एंड ऐसा माना जाता है कि तात्या टोपे को उन्हीं के किसी साथी ने पकड़वा दिया था. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, तात्या टोपे वाज हैंग्ड ऑन 18th April 1859, and official document said that he was hanged on 18th April 1859. And however, as per the other sources, we came to know Tatya Tope had managed to escape and someone else was hanged in his place. और कुछ लोग ऐसा भी कहते हैं कि तात्या टोपे तो फिर भी भाग निकले थे, लेकिन उनकी जगह किसी और को फांसी लग गई थी. It is believed that he had spent the last years of his life in Navsari, and ऐसा माना जाता है कि वो अपने लास्ट टाइम में नवसारी में थे. So different sources says different things, but official document says the person who was hanged is if he is Tatya Tope, then he is hanged on 18th April 1859. So things to know: Samau is a village in Mansa Taluka in Gandhinagar district. So a tombstone that stands in the preliminary school has an epitaph that reads 29th November 1857. So in Sumau village there is some historical evidence written in a primary school on a tombstone. Okay. Why was the revolt a failure? ये revolt जो था कैसे failure बन गया? What were the drawbacks due to which the revolt became the failures? The revolutionaries failed to retrieve the power from the Britishers due to their limitations, some of which are: the revolutionaries have some limitations. They have lack of artillery, they have lack of communication. Okay, and the revolt was not started in all the part of India at the same time. Okay, so due to this communication gap, the revolt became a failure. Let's see what were the first reason. The rebel lacks coordination. Okay, coordination, reinforcement of men, money and ammunition. As I said, lack of communication or communication gap, so that is lack of coordination. The outbreak of the revolt happened वे बिफोर द प्री प्लान डेट। ओके, ये समय से पहले शुरू हो गया था। एंड द रिवोल्ट रिमेन कंसेंट्रेड लार्जली इन नॉर्थ इंडिया and it is mainly focused in North India instead of South India. It is started very later, and India is a country known for its regional diversity in language, food habits, dressing, etc. Before the British rule, the people were ruled by regional dynasties. As a result, the sentiment of nationalism, belongingness to India as one nation had not developed. India before Britishers ruled by प्रोविंशियल स्टेट्स और प्रोविंशियल डायनेस्टीज। ओके, सब जगहों पे क्या थी, स्थानीय राजा थे। ठीक है, जैसे साउथ में साउथ के राजा थे, उनका साउथ का कल्चर था। देन कमिंग अप फ्रॉम द साउथ इन सेंट्रल इंडिया, उनका कल्चर अलग था। तो एक जो वो नेशनलिज्म की जो फीलिंग थी, बिलोंगिंगनेस थी, टुगेदरनेस थी, वो नहीं थी। एज ए नेशन इंडिया को वो लोग नहीं बचाना चाहते थे, वो सब लोग अपनी अपनी टेरिटरी को बचाना चाहते थे, किसान अपने खेतों को बचाना चाहते थे। सो दैट्स वाई इट बिकम्स अ फेलियर। The Sikhs and the Gurkhas fought by the side of British, which proved to be a major disadvantage for the rebels. And in the British army, Sikhs and Gurkhas, which were the power of Indian army, which fought from the side of Britishers, that is the main drawbacks for the rebellions. And the British had a superior army, weapons and military commanders, and they have superior army and weapons and military commanders that as compared to the rebellions. All the leaders who were fighting for regaining the power of their territories lost to the Britishers. No one is fighting for the freedom of their nation. जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि सब लोग अपने अपने जो टेरिटरी थी उसको बचाने के लिए लड़ रहे थे, कोई इंडिया के लिए नहीं लड़ रहा था। Effect and consequences. The revolt was not successful against the Britishers. However, it still ushered in a new era of change. ये रिवोल्ट जो था वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ, बट इसने बहुत बड़ा चेंजमेंट लाया। जो क्वीन जिन्होंने ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को इंडिया के साथ बिजनेस करने के लिए, ट्रेड करने के लिए भेजा था, जिनको पता नहीं था कि ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जो है इंडिया में क्या काम कर रही है, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, एंड दे आर कंट्रोलिंग द पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक एंड द ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया ऑफ इंडिया। अब क्या होता है कि ब्रिटिश क्वीन को जो होती है उनको इस बात का पता चलता है, देन द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी हैज़ टू लूज द कंट्रोल ओवर इंडिया एंड द कंट्रोल इज गॉन इन द हैंड ऑफ ब्रिटिश क्राउन। मीन्स कि जो पावर पहले ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के पास थी उनसे छीन के वो डायरेक्टली क्वीन के हाथों में चली जाती है। कंपनी रूल केम टू एंड एंड केम अंडर क्राउन, एज आई सेड, एंड द इंटरफेरेंस इन द इंटरनल अफेयर ऑफ द प्रिंसली स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया वाज स्टॉप्ड। अब प्रिंसली स्टेट के इंटरनल अफेयर्स में जो है ब्रिटिशर्स का इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होगा। द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट वॉज, प्रिंसली स्टेट्स कौन से हो गए, जो राजा महाराजा हमारे जो छोटी छोटी रियासतें संभालते थे, जैसे झांसी पे रानी लक्ष्मीबाई थी तो उनके बाद कोई और आया होगा, तो जो छोटे छोटे प्रिंसली स्टेट थे अलग अलग जगहों के, ठीक है, जूनागढ़ का हो गया, हैदराबाद का हो गया, तो इनके जो प्रिंसली स्टेट्स के अंदर क्या था, इंटरफेरेंस जो था ब्रिटिशर्स का बंद हो गया था। द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट वॉज कंपेल्ड टू चेंज इट्स पॉलिसी टुवार्ड्स इंडिया, और ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को अपनी पॉलिसीज जो थी अब चेंज करनी पड़ी। अब वो रिफॉर्मर्स बनने की कोशिश करेंगे या इंडिया को किसी और चीज़ में उलझाने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो हम आगे के चैप्टर्स में देखेंगे। ओके, द सैलरी अलाउंस एंड फैसिलिटी गिवन टू द इंडियन सोल्जर सिपाहीज वर इंक्रीज, और अब इंडियन सोल्जर्स के और सिपाहीज जितने भी थे उनके सैलरी और उनके जो फैसिलिटीज थे, अलाउंस जो उन्हें मिलते हैं, जो सुविधाएं मिलती हैं, उन्हें बढ़ा दिया गया था। द रिवोल्ट हेल्प इन इनवोकिंग ए फीलिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, और जो मेन थिंग इस रिवोल्ट के हारने से हमारी इंडिया को मिली थी वो थी फीलिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म, कि अब हम लोग सब अपने अपने मतलब के लिए लड़ लिए, अब हमें इकट्ठा हो गया, हमारे देश के लिए लड़ना है। ओके, so this is all about the revolt of 1857, and question answer slide I will send you the PDF, and please watch the video and understand the chapter, and please today continuously watch part 1, part 2 and this part of the video. Okay, take care. Sai Ram.